5 common window buying mistakes. Windows have an impact on everything, from your heating and cooling bills to your overall comfort. Choosing the right ones is key to keeping your home safe and comfortable. Mistakes people make when buying new windows. It's easy to make mistakes when buying windows, especially if you don't take time to plan ahead. Familiarizing yourself with common mistakes that people often make will help you avoid them. Choosing the wrong size window. An ill-fitting window not only compromises the aesthetic appeal of the home, but it also hurts its heating and cooling efficiency due to air leaks and drafts. There are several factors that go into choosing the correct size window, including width to height proportion, sill height, head height, window style. Expensive doesn't mean it's the right window for you. Windows with the best quality value tend to be made of composite, fiberglass, wood-clad, wood, aluminum or vinyl materials. A lot of manufacturers and installation companies offer these windows at affordable prices. The window's durability and design should always take precedence over its price tag. Overlooking the need for security. It's important to prioritize the window's security features when buying new ones. Windows worth buying will have sturdy locks and reinforcement mechanisms. They will also have impact-resistant glass. Not consulting a professional on what type window to use. Trying to choose the correct window settings from all of the available options can be a real challenge. Professionals can explain the pros and cons of various options and even help you compare their differences. DIY installation. You might be able to save a bit of money by doing a DIY installation, but you greatly increase the risk of a poor installment. Installing windows correctly takes knowledge, skill, and special tools. The importance of hiring a professional glass company. Hiring a professional glass company to help you choose and install new windows has several advantages. You can rely on the professional's expertise and experience to ensure that they install quality windows that are accurately measured for your home. If the windows come with a warranty, a professional installation will most likely be required to keep the warranty valid. Get in touch with us today if you're ready to improve the aesthetics and security of your home with new windows. Our company has over 40 years of experience in the residential and commercial glass industry. We are bonded and insured, and our work and products are guaranteed. Ready to get started? Give us a call.